This week in Word, we're going to be working on the letter C. Now, I know we know what the letter C is, the hard C we're very familiar with. It's called a hard C, and it makes the sound of k, like in cat, or cold, or cup. Yes, you hear the k sound with a C when the C is followed by an A, an O, or a U, like cat, cold, cup. Now, we all know that. So what we really need to focus on is something called the soft C. A soft C, yes. Did you know C has two sounds? Some of us do. But now you're really going to know that C has two sounds. Okay, a soft C sounds like S. It basically steals the sound of S. So soft C sounds like S. You're going to hear that sound of C when the C is followed by an I, E, or Y in most cases. Not all, but most. Like for instance, we had the word circle. See how the S, it sounds like a C or S because it's followed by an I. But then this part of circle, well, it's followed by a consonant, so it sounds like the hard C, circle. Okay? Then we have celery, and then like cycle. So you can ride a bicycle. It'll be a sickle when you have bi in front of it. So if your C is followed by an A or a U or any consonant, it is going to be hard, sound like k. Now if your C is followed by an I-E-Y, it's going to sound like S most of the time. So now we have a bunch of words we're going to go over that you should be responsible for as a first grader, because you're going to see a lot of these words in your reading. Now, we have some words over here that don't follow any specific family, like the word city. That word is city, like I live in the city of Tampa. And we already went over circle, okay? So notice that these C's are followed by an I, so it sounds like S. And then bicycle, okay? Bicycle. So this C is followed by the Y, so it sounds like a S. Bicycle. The Y steals the I sound. Cool. That one is the hard C, k, followed by the L-E, right? Cool. Bicycle. Know this word. Prince. See how C is followed by an E? So the C steals the S sound. So prince, like the frog prince. Okay? And this one is princess. Princess. See how you have a S in the middle, but it's made by the C. But you have the two S's, the double at the end. But this C is followed by E, so it sounds like S, princess. And this is cent, like 1 cent. A penny is 1 cent. Okay? So these are words that you should be familiar with. Then we have some word families that have a S sound for the C, that soft sound. This is the ACE word family. So if you see an ace at the end of a word, you'll know it says ace. Okay? Like ace. Race. You can run a race. Ace. Face. You can wash your face. Pull. Ace. Place. Like sit in your place. And ace. Space. Like you can go to outer space in a rocket ship. So those are the ace word family words you should know. Then we have the ice word families. Like I could have a piece of ice, or ice can be part of any word. See how the C is followed by an E, so it says S, so ice. That's ice. Nice, like it's a nice day outside. Ice. Mice, like there are many mice living out in the field. Ice. Rice. I like to eat beans and rice. Ice. Twice. I did something twice if I did it 2 times. Twice. Ice. Spice. I like to add spice to my food. And when I do, this isn't really part of the ice word family, but we have the word spicy. Like my food was very spicy and burned my tongue. Okay? So be familiar with these words with the soft C sound so that you can become a good reader and writer. Practice these words this week.